Hey everybody, it's Sew Pretti. I'm back with the full video of an HD frontal wig install. This is a 30-inch deep curly unit from my hairline, hairsewpretti.com. And I'm just going to go ahead and give you guys the full video of how I installed the wig and how everything looks. I did a short video on here, hashtag shorts, so that I can just pretty much try to get my videos, you know, kind of in front of everybody, because now I have been on YouTube for almost a year now, and I haven't been consistent, but I will definitely start being consistent and putting out more videos. So yeah, so here I'm just making my ball cap melt to my client's head, and then once I do that, I'm going to go ahead and add the makeup. And I'm going to show you guys the wig too, and I'm going to add the makeup to that, and then we're going to go ahead and proceed with the install. I'm not going to talk much on this video. I'll be in and out here and there, but pretty much I'm just going to let you watch the video. If you have any questions, leave them below. Like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to shop with me at hairsewpretti.com. I do have a 10% off all of my wigs, and I also have on the whole website actually. So go ahead and shop with me at hairsewpretti.com, and thanks for watching. Okay, so what you see me doing right there was spraying the erickaj skin guard onto her skin. I just pretty much spray it on there, let it air dry, and then I go ahead and proceed with the install. That right there is the 30-inch deep curly wig. I'm just showing you pretty much what it has all on the inside of it. It's again from my hair website at hairsewpretti.com. It comes with 3 combs, straps, and then the bigger strap that you saw me show you, like a bra strap pretty much. Here I'm going to go ahead and put the makeup inside the wig and outside the wig, and then I'm going to go ahead and proceed with the install. So just continue to watch. Okay, so I'm putting the wig on her head now just to make sure everything fits snug before I go ahead and proceed with the adhesive. Sorry for looking a hot mess, you guys, but I had been doing hair all day and I was tired. So it is what it is. You get what you see. But anywho, this video is not about me anyways. It's about this deep curly unit that I'm so in love with. Again, it's on my website at hairsewpretti.com. It's a 30-inch deep curly unit, and I custom colored it. So yeah. And this is the natural state of the wig, you guys. It had been co-washed and everything. Of course, it was co-washed, but I did custom color it. So I let it air dry, and this is what it looks like air dry with no products on it. So I know it went by pretty fast here, but what I did was I parted it, I plucked it part, and then I went ahead and started hot combing it again. Make sure you guys use that hot comb. It's gonna be a deal breaker. Like, use the hot comb. But yeah, that's pretty much what I did since I made the video go so fast on that part. I just wanted to explain what I was doing. Well, what I had did. And I did use lace tint, True Match lace tint. I think I used dark on her, just around, the perimeter of her head because of the white cast looking around her edges, and that made it blend right in, and it looked like her scalp. So I just continue to watch. I just wanted to explain what I did there because I don't remember if I put it in the video. Okay, and right here, I'm just going to go ahead and sew her wig down in the back. So that's pretty much what I'm doing. I'm feeling for the braids as you see there. And then once I find the braids, I'm going to go ahead and sew it down in the back just for extra security. It was pretty snug on her head, but she wanted it sewed down too, so that's what we did. You guys, look at the luster on this wig, and all I'm putting on this wig is water. That's all I'm spraying on it right now is water, nothing else. Not putting anything else on it right now, nothing but water. And look how the luster is on that wig. Sewpretti.com is the website. Don't forget to shop. It's the 30-inch deep curly unit. If you don't like curly hair, I also have other wig units on there as well. So yeah, pretty much shop with me at Sewpretti.com. Now here I am putting some conditioner and oil on the hair, so pretty much so she can keep the wet look. But when you first saw me doing it, the only thing I was spraying on it was water when you saw that beautiful luster. So just keep that in mind and shop with me at Sewpretti.com. Okay, so here as I'm finishing up, don't forget to shop on my website at Sewpretti.com. Don't forget to continue to watch to the very end so you can see it when it's pulled back into a ponytail. And thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and leave me a message below if you have any questions. And visit my social medias at hair_so_pretty on IG and hair so pretty. That's 3 words on Facebook. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.